Welcome to our comparison of two popular hair clippers, the Wahl Lithium Ion Pro and the GSKY hair clippers. In this video, we will dive deep into their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for a reliable clipper for home use or a professional-grade grooming kit, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The Wahl Lithium Ion Pro comes with a basic clipper and 12 snap and lock guards, making it a straightforward choice for home haircuts. In contrast, the GSKY hair clippers offer a comprehensive grooming kit that includes a clipper, trimmer, razor, and multiple guide combs. This makes the GSKY set more versatile for various grooming needs, whether at home or in a professional setting. When it comes to pricing, the Wahl Lithium Ion Pro is priced at $59, making it an affordable option for those looking for quality without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the GSKY hair clippers are priced at $130, reflecting their extensive features and professional-grade quality. This price difference is significant and may influence your decision based on your budget. Both clippers offer impressive battery life, but they differ in runtime and charging times. The Wahl Lithium Ion Pro provides up to 2 hours of use on a full charge, while the GSKY hair clippers offer 150 minutes of runtime with a charging time of 2.5 hours. This difference may be crucial for users who prioritize longer usage times between charges. In conclusion, both the Wahl Lithium Ion Pro and GSKY hair clippers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Wahl is a budget-friendly option with essential features, while the GSKY offers a more comprehensive kit for those willing to invest more. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.